like a Hellcat.
Not a wrestling figure, but I'm still doing it in the ring. Welcome back to another video. Only one. But you know what? It's still cool. Let me get it open. So this is what it is. It's a Squeezy Mates Series 3 Color Rush Edition. Collect out 32. Let's see who we got. There's a way to open this. Give me a minute, I gotta grab my scissors. Oh crap. Well, there's no way the video is gonna be about a minute long. Oh, maybe. Oh, I have a little bit of a new setup here, so still trying to get used to the new setup here, so yeah. Here you go, most satisfying thing in the world. That wasn't as satisfying. Ooh, it's one of my favorite teams, just so you guys know. Oh, that jersey looks sick! You're not gonna believe who this is. Oh, by the way, it's NFL edition. I forgot to add that. Here's all the guys you can get in the series. Well, I don't know if you can see that. I'll read them out for you. DeAndre Hopkins, Calvin Ridley, Lamar Jackson, Joe Burrow, Nick Chubb, Devin Singletary, Khalil Mack, Dak Prescott, Melvin Gordon, Kenny Golladay, Aaron Rodgers, Saquon Barkley, Phillip Rivers for the Colts now, Sam Darnold, Patrick Mahomes, a rookie, Tua Tagovailoa. I don't know how to say your name. Its name. Sony Michel, Drew Brees, Carson Wentz, Josh Jacobs, Aaron Donald, DJ Metcalf, George Kittle, Ben Roethlisberger, Tom Brady, AJ Brown, Deshaun Watson, Dalvin Cook, Christian McCaffrey, Gardner Minshew, Joey Bosa, and Chase Young, which is also a rookie. And we got DJ Metcalf. Look at this. It's, of course, it's a squishy. Ah! Dropped it. But yeah, of course, it's a squishy. I've gotten Adam Thielen one of these. But yeah, really, really cool. It's just Metcalf on the back. I like that. How the detail look. Well, of course, the face doesn't look really good. But that's all I got. Usually Teeny Mates would come with a pocket profile, but you know what to do. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. And yeah, see you guys.
Like a Hellcat.